In this video, I will be showing you how to replace or clean the air compressor filter on your 112, T300, or T600. The first step is to locate your air compressor. Next, you will unscrew the cap. Remove the filter. Now that your air filter is removed, you'll want to visually check it over to ensure there's no damage. Once confirmed there's no damage, you want to take compressed air and blow the dirt right out of it. You will want to clean this once a month until damage has occurred, and then you will need to replace it. Replace with the new clean filter. Install the cap, and you want to just tighten that hand tight.